Okay, in the last tutorial, we learned how to add themes and custom headers to our blog. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add posts and pages to our blog. Here I am at my class blog. It has posts and pages already on it. Posts are like normal journal entries. They appear on one screen in order from the most recent at the top to the oldest at the bottom. You might write a blog post once a day or once a week, just like in a normal journal. Pages, however, are dedicated to one topic. They appear on individual pages on your blog. Like web pages, they do not change regularly. You can have parent pages and sub-pages. As you can see, this human body system page has no date and all the content is one complete topic. Now let's go back to James Catt's ePortfolio. As you can see, EduBlogs has put a default post on this page. We want to delete that first of all. So let's go to Meta, Site Admin, and we're back at our dashboard. On the left here, you can see Posts and Pages in our menu options. Let's go to Posts. Let's go to Edit. And as you can see, here is the EduBlogs default post. If you hover over it, you can see some options. Let's click Delete and Confirm. Now, there are no posts found, so we need to add a new post. Under Posts, click Add New. And in front of you should be a visual editor. This is where you can add a title and the content for your post. So I'm going to add a title, My Introduction. And as you can see, we have some options for editing our writing. If you click on this very right button, you'll get some more options. Now it looks a bit like what we see in Microsoft Word. Okay, now I can start adding the content of my post, but my window's a bit small. If I go to the bottom right and click my mouse on that, I can drag and make the window bigger. Now I can start writing. So I've finally finished writing my introduction. Took a while to type it in, but it's done. And this is going to be my first post. Next, just carefully go over to this button here, which says Publish. If you don't finish your post and you want to save it, you can just click Save Draft. Then you can go to Edit Posts and you'll see this in that list of posts. But for now, I've finished, so I'm going to just click Publish. Okay, and it appears again. But if I click on Preview Changes, a new window comes up and I can see my new post. It looks good. Okay, but oh, I see a bit of a spelling mistake in there. So I can close this window, go back to my editor, and I can fix up my spelling mistake. All right, done. Update post. And that'll update my post and everything should be okay. So that's how you add a post. But what about pages? Okay, let's go over to our left-hand menu again. This is very similar to adding posts. Click on Pages. And you can see that EduBlogs already has a default page called About. But I don't want that there, so hover over it, see your options, delete, go OK. Done. Now I have no pages, but I want to add pages. So on our menu, under Pages, you can see Add New. Here we are at the Add New Page screen. It looks a bit like the Add New Post screen. However, it says Add New Page, not Post. Okay, on the SKK Multimedia blog, under Module 1, you will see a list of pages that you must add to your blog. So I'm going to start doing this. The first page is called My Teaching Setting. So that's the title. I type it in the title bar. Now, I do not have to add content yet. I can just add the pages. So I've added my title and I can click Publish. All right, I'm going to add another page. The second one is called Hot Potatoes. And Publish. And I will add one more page for the purpose of this tutorial called YouTube Activity. All right, Publish. Now, if I go and visit my blog, you can see under Pages, the pages that I just added appear. Hot Potatoes, My Teaching Setting, and YouTube Activity. Also, some themes have little buttons at the top, and these represent the pages as well. So that's how we add pages to our blog. If we want to edit our pages, we can go down to Site Admin. We can go to Pages, Edit, and choose the page that you want to edit. Hover over it, click Edit, and here we are at the page, and we can add our content in there, and it should appear. So I'm going to start adding my teaching setting. Now, you may have saved this as a Word document. Now, there's a little trick to cutting and pasting text into your editor for posts and pages. So, I've saved my teaching setting as a Word file. So I'm going to highlight the text, click Copy, go back to my blog. Now I can't just paste it in here. Do not do that. Go up to your editor and click on the little button that has the word symbol, the W. Click on that. Little box will come up, and from here you can click Paste. And the text will come in, and click Insert. And here's the text. Okay, I'm happy with that. Update page. And I would like to preview the changes. So, as you can see in this window, I'm on my page, My Teaching Setting, and here is my description, my statement of my teaching setting, and it has been now put into a page on my blog.